It's your boy Mopar Breezy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are here trying to figure out how to install halo lights on your Dodge Challenger SRT 392, then you're in the right place. Do me a favor, if you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. It's your boy Mopar Breezy. Peace. What's good, YouTube? We're back with another video today. We're going to be doing a installation video. It's just a quick little visual mod on the scatpack. Alright, so I got these optics. I don't know if you can see that. Halo rings. Alright, so we're going to get these installed and we're going to get some before and after pictures. Maybe a video. Alright, stay tuned. Peace out. So right now, this is what the halo looks like now. As you can see, that's a cool feature there, the honeycomb on the ground. But yep, this is what the halo look like. So give me a few minutes and I'll show you what it looks like after. All right, gang. So here's a few things that you're gonna need to make this work. You're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, a box wrench that is 10 millimeters, or either a 10 millimeter socket. Also gonna need a microfiber rag to wipe around the headlight housing where you're gonna be installing your LEDs. That's gonna be clutch in making that adhesive stick, okay? Now let's talk about what you're gonna need the screwdriver for. That's to get the push pins from the little guard cover that's underneath where you pop the hood. The 10 millimeter wrench is for the ground location underneath the fuse box holder. So check it out. So in order to make this work, you gotta jump that fuse right there. It's gonna come with it. And then you gotta ground it. You gotta ground it right down there, okay? So once you ground this thing, that's when the lights are gonna pop on. But it's not gonna pop on until you have grounded it. And this is just grounded onto this box here, okay? So you got the power wire there, and underneath that power wire, there is a ground wire. Not the yellow dot, but the one off to the left that's black. That's your ground. So once you're grounded and you got your power wire jumped into the fuse box holder, then you're gonna want to do a testing of the lights. Right here in the video, I am connecting everything and we're about to do a test light up. All right, I am so excited. At this point, you should be getting excited because all you have to do is zip tie and tidy up the area where you were working at. All right, so this is a quick $45 mod and it's finna make you stand out. Okay, when you're all done, you shouldn't be able to tell anything. And it was just that simple, guys. I can leave a link in the description to the instructions that I used, but you literally just undo these, stuff the wire LEDs through there, connect them, and run them to that fuse box, okay? And ground it like we talked about. And that's it.
That's my boy, I learned from y'all mistakes, I just up my rate, I made my way, get out of my lane, bruh. Now we got some traction, everything been so surreal. I'm trying to get used to keeping check of how I feel. Ex is somewhat stressed, you dropped the ball, but that's a well. I just tied the knot linked to the game, she got a pill. I'm much more concerned with how my time about to rebuild. Need a couple meal tickets in my pocket till the bill. Quick to flip a bill, bitch, I'm about to profit. I'm a real nigga with them wheels spinning, never stopping on that boss shit. Yeah, get top in the back seat. Fuck a critic and an analytic. Independent and we just beginning. Clearing anybody interfering. Tough loss, keep it tucked off. Something plush, do the brush off. Free spirit, make a trust fall, right? Look at my neck, right? I get that check, right? I'm
so yeah, gang, that's how you put halo lights on your Dodge Challenger, okay? So I went, I did a test drive, made sure it was okay. If you like this video, I'll do an update to show you what it looks like at night, kind of driving through. But I need 10 likes on this video, alright, in order to do that. I hope you guys found this useful. I'm enjoying making the content. If you haven't, please like, comment, and subscribe, but mainly subscribe. Your boy needs to get to that 1K, alright? So yeah, we got some more working outs coming up in the coming weeks, more day in the life. Stay posted. Also, we're in my studio, alright? I made a studio out of the garage. Your boy have to be crafty. You see I got the double slashes that make the M for the most part. You know how I'm coming. Boop, bop, bop, up, all of that silly nonsense. Sorry though, but it's your boy Mopar Breezy. I had a lot of fun. This should take you about 45 minutes if you take your time, zip tie everything, clean it up. It's your boy. Peace.